Pulsar engine oil change. Equipments or tools required. Proper size socket spanner. Oil pan to drain the oil. Engine oil. Funnel. Procedure. Locate the engine oil drain nut located under the engine on the left-hand side. Keep the oil pan directly beneath the drain nut. Carefully loosen the drain nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Beware, as the warm oil can burn your skin. Avoid any skin contact with the used oil. Let the drain bolt fall in the oil pan along with the stream of used engine oil. Let it drain for some time until the entire used oil has drained into the oil pan. Tighten the bolt back. Avoid tightening it too much as it can damage the oil chamber. Once fully tightened, open the engine oil inspection or refill cap on the right-hand side. Pour the recommended grade engine oil into the oil chamber with the help of a funnel. Tighten the cap back and you are ready to roll. Important tips. Dispense the used engine oil as recommended by the manufacturer. For better performance, use Bajaj DTSI 10,000 genuine engine oil.